I already have my data collected as nicely as this in Excel, but I can see that this data is so much and now I want to group the respondents based on their age so that it appears like this. How do I do this? In our current video, we are going to learn on how to group our data based on various age groups. So I want us to create age groups for this data and use that data to know how many people are in different age groups and possibly present it in a graph. So the first thing that I need us to determine is to know the least age and the highest age in our data. So to find the least age or to find the youngest respondent in our data, we use the is equals to minimum formula. So is equals to mean often returns the least value in a given data set. So our youngest respondent is 18 years old, 19 years old, and we will need to get the oldest respondent. We use the is equals to max formula. So is equals to max will give us the respondent with the highest age. So these are our maximum and minimum observation, which means the maximum and minimum age. So to get our So the reason why I've determined the minimum and the maximum values is because it will help me to know where my classes will end at. So to categorize this data into age group, we'll use the pivot tables, and the pivot tables is in the insert tab. So let us go and do it right away. We select our data, and after selecting the data, you go to the pivot table. Then I want us to the range we have selected, and now I want us to use this data in the current worksheet. So if you want to use it in the current worksheet, you don't select the new worksheet, you put it on the current worksheet. Then I want to place it somewhere here, so I just select this location here. So then you press OK, and then pivot table there. So we are interested in age, so you come here, drag the age and drop it into your rows. So if you see once you drag and drop, you can see the ages have appeared here. So then at this point the data has not been grouped. So to group it, you just select any age there. Then you can first do right click. So if you right click your mouse, you will see the group tab where now you can use the group. But then you can also go to the analyze menu, then select group selection. So let's use the group tab for this case. If you use the group tab, it will show you the least age and the maximum age. So it will start at 19, which is the minimum age, and end at 80, which is the maximum age. But still you can choose to start at any value that you like. For example, you can start at 10, you can start at 0, and so on. Then group by 10, it means that our class limit will be 10. So if you click on OK, it gives you data 19, 28, 29, 38, 39, 48, and so on. So our class size there is 10. Then we can see how many people are 19 to 28 by just dragging the age and dropping it in the values column. So if you drop the age in the values column, we will see that in the age 19 to 28, we have 20 respondents, 29 to 28, 22, and so on. So then we can also insert a chart for this our data. We can say select it, then after selecting, go to insert, then recommended charts, and you can see this is my recommended chart. Then I press OK, then the chart comes. So we can say this is respondents by age groups. So that is how you do it. Then we can always put this data in an appropriate space and with an appropriate size. So that is my respondents by age groups. You can also try it yourself. If you like this video, you can like this video, you can comment, you can share, and also you can give me opinions on how to on you can give me your opinions on different aspects, the one that you see I didn't do good and the one that I did good, and so on. So you can also subscribe to our channel and wait for more videos. I already have my data collected as nicely as this in Excel, but I can see that this data is so much and now I want to group the respondents based on their age so that it appears like this. How do I do this?